nating maging healthy. Not only mentally, guys, but also physically. Kasi we are the one who decides for ourselves. Sino pa ba ang magpipilit sa'yo na mag-workout ka? Kapitbahay mo ba? Ate mo ba? Kuya mo ba? Nanay mo ba? Ikaw rin. Kasi no matter what people tell around you, kung ayaw mo, wala din namang mangyayari. Yes, it is indeed a process. Actually, ilang months na rin tayong nag-exercise and I really enjoy it. I really take it slowly but surely. This is not a matter of making your body somewhat to look good, rather more on the physical and health aspect. Kung saan mas mararamdaman mong mas komportable ka, mas hiyang ka na sa mga movements mo, and na-develop na yung habit mo. 'Di ba? Hala, mabiyayang araw!